Hello guys, what's up? So I bought this makeup cosmetics organizer from Amazon. This is the cover of it. I was so excited to get it. I think it took about 10 days for them to deliver it, which is a lot considering Amazon delivery. So when I opened it, let me show you what I see. It came in bubble wrap. This flimsy bubble wrap, fair enough. It has two sections. The bottom section comes with these drawers. Another bubble wrap. I really like it. It's really good. It has all of these drawers. One section, one drawer, second small drawer. This one is like a larger drawer, and then this one is also a larger drawer. So I think it's pretty. It's got a lot of space. But problem happened over here. It's broken. It's got a big little, not even a crack, it's like literally broken. It came in like these little pieces. There you go. I don't want to cut myself, so I don't want to touch it, but it came broken, and the pieces, these are the pieces. I'm not sure what this material is. I called Amazon and asked them to exchange it for another one that did not come in 1,000 pieces, and they said that this is not a returnable item. So I was like pretty annoyed, but then they said since it came broken and it's not your fault, you can keep the money and you can also keep the product and you can throw it away. So I was like, okay, fine, I'm just gonna throw it. And then the new creativity in me came out and I was like, I can try to fix this. So basically everything is fine in here. First of all, the first part that came is it's perfectly in good condition. The only problem is with this one, and that too from the front it's fine. From this side it's fine. It is just in the back and this side that is cracked, which is not going to be visible anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try. I'm not sure how this is going to. Did I just cut myself? I'm gonna use wallpaper and I'm gonna try to hide the crack part and still use it, because I don't want to order another one and who knows how that's gonna show up, because I remember reading some reviews and some people did complain about this same exact problem because they really need to pack their glass products or breakable products better. Like this little bubble wrap is just not going to cut it. I remember showing this on my Amazon favorites video. I will link that video in the description section in case you are interested, along with this makeup product, because you might get it in one piece, who knows. And if you don't get it in one piece, you can do something like this. So I'm just going to use this floral wallpaper and try to cover up the broken part. Let's go. A broken glass or a broken heart should never be on display, which is why we're going to hide this. So first thing I do is I get rid of all the drawers because we don't want any distraction. I grab the wallpaper and first I measure it against the organizer and then I cut it and stick it, making sure that there are no air bubbles between the wallpaper and the glass. I do the same thing on the other side, just like that. And then we are going to get rid of all the excess wallpaper just to get a cleaner look. There's no rocket science to this, so I just sped through the whole thing because you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now, if you want, you can cover this whole thing up and it's gonna look like that. Or if you just want the glass to show, you can cut this out too. I'm using the wallpaper specifically to hide the broken part, so I'm gonna cut the rest of it out from the organizer. I've been saving these broken pieces just for this video for weeks, so time to throw them out now. Came with this, by the way. You can remove it if you want, or you can keep it. I'm just gonna keep it. If you want, you can stick this. You can put a little hot glue and just stick it so it doesn't come off, but I'm okay with it being like this the way it is, so I'm going to keep it like that. And let's see how much makeup fits in there. A friend of mine made this makeup organizer for me years ago and I had still been using it. Lipsticks, kajal, and my eyeshadow sticks, my lip liner. So the reason I wanted a makeup organizer is mainly because I've been putting my makeup in like these little bags because I didn't have a place to put. And when your makeup is not with you, it's just, you just don't use it. So I want to start using my makeup products, which is why I kind of wanted a makeup organizer so I can start using all my stuff. Let's see, my primer here, favorite e.l.f. Putty primer here. Alright guys, so I am done organizing this. As you can see, I arranged it. This is the front, and I'm going to show you all the organization later. This is a side that had a crack over here, which I covered with my wallpaper. And this is the back that had a crack, and I covered that too with the wallpaper. And this is what it looks like. And when I put it against my vanity, those two sides are not even going to be visible. So it is as good as new. And guys, I put my eyeshadow palettes in here in this section. I put my primer here, my concealer here, my brush here. These are all my stick eyeshadows. These are all my base makeup. That is my primer, my concealers, my color correctors, my eyebrow products, and my setting spray. I put all my lipsticks in these sections over here. Still have some left, but I put them in another organizer. And this is drawer 1. I put my bronzers and my highlighters in here. This is drawer 2. I put all my pot eyeshadows in here. This is the bigger drawer. A few other eyeshadows in here. The 3 mascaras that I use regularly in here. Some more eyeshadows, contour product, my eyeliners in here. Then in the third big drawer, I have my blushes and my powder. Alright, so the drawers are not the smoothest, but I could fit in a lot of my makeup in here. I still have some makeup, which I have this other organizer. I have kept my moisturizer and my makeup brushes in here. And then the rest of it, I kept some of my makeup in here. And my foundations in here too, because it wasn't fitting in my new organizer, so I kept my foundations here. And my DIY organizer that my friend made for me, I'm still using that for like my my hair products, my brushes, hairsprays, serums, and some of my skincare products, and some of my perfumes are in there, so I'm still using that. Alright, so that was definitely a lot of work. I just put everything together and I'm still excited. I got all my makeup in, most of my makeup in for sure. So the organizer looks really good. It fit a lot of makeup products, so it's really good. I would recommend if you are looking for a makeup organizer. This is a pretty affordable one on Amazon. I got it for $7.99 bucks. If it does come broken, and this is what happens, like what happened with me, they were like, you can keep the product and you can keep the money. Basically, I got it for free, which is awesome. I love free stuff. Yes, I'm clever, classy, and frugal. So if you get it intact, then even better for you. You don't have to do any DIY, but it was pretty fun. I love doing I'm not very crafty. I still enjoy putting things together and just feeling like, yeah, I did something nice. So it is still weekend. It's like 2 in the morning now. I'm going to put a little face mask and pamper myself tonight. I will leave this in the description section so you can check it out if you are interested. You can see that it fit a lot of my products, and I would give it a thumbs up even though it did come broken. This is it for my video. I hope you found it useful. I hope it was entertaining. Subscribe. Just subscribe. Okay, just subscribe. Just subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Give me a thumbs up. Bye!